structure. We created this 3D model with the help of sketch and this plan. So today we will see what is the meaning of views, orientation, and how to edit sketches. See, this is the part we created. If we want to see their different view, how we will do it. So here one shortcut, view orientation. Just go to view orientation and it will ask you many directions. See, left side, front, top, bottom, right, back, and here isometric, diametric, trimetric. Suppose if you want top plane, so just click on top. See, it is top view. Again go, you want left side, it is left view. It is right view and it is top view. So any view you can directly go to this unit, view orientation, and you can watch. It is very simple and very easy, and this is one of the most important normal tool. What is the meaning of normal tool? I'll tell you. This is our structure, this is our 3D part. Normal view means if I want to see this face as a normal, so I just click on that face, click here normal, or go to here, select normal. See, the top view arrives. The same as here, suppose you will click this side and you will click normal, so this view come in front of you as a normal. Any view, even if you will select this view and click normal, so this will come in front of you. So normal tool is very important and very useful for SolidWorks. Now we will see edit sketch. Last time we seen some, but we will study some more details. This is our sketch. We want to edit our sketch. So here our first part created. Just click on this plus sign and our part 1 sketch you will see. If you want to edit, the same as click and one window will pop up and here edit sketch. Select normal. Now here you can, if you want to change any dimension, you can change it, like make it 60 mm. Okay, see, it is shifted. If you will go exit, then it will, let's go exit. See, it is shifted and become less. It is very easy to change the dimension and everything with the help of edit sketch. If you want to add anything, you can add with the help of edit sketch. So this is the simple view and simple things for you. Please subscribe our channel for more videos and more projects in SolidWorks.